With the rise of AI, WordPress websites become more vulnerable. So what I want to do in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make your WordPress website a bit more secure by hiding the login URL. If I take a look at sonymusic.com and I go to the URL and I say /wp-admin. Look at this. What I want to do in this tutorial, I want to show you how to hide this page. It can be for a few reasons. For security, every step helps. So if I go to my website, wearewebdesign.com, I can also go to /wp-admin and login, as you see. So I will do that. And in order to hide this page, the login page, I go to plugins, add plugin. I search for WPS Hide Login. There it is. More than 2 million installations. A lot of good reviews, updated 4 months ago. It's from Remy Perona. I click on install now. Activate. Now I go to settings over here. WP Hide Login, WPS Hide Login. And then over here, the login URL, I can change it to login or to something else. Ferdy login or Walter White. So let me save the changes. Now, if I log out and I go to the website and I want to log in and I go to wp-admin, there's nothing. If I go to wp-login.php, nothing. But if I go to Walter White, now I can log in. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, and that's how you can make your website a bit more secure. If you want to take a few more steps, better steps in order to make your website secure, then click over here because I'm about to upload a tutorial on how you can make your website more secure. There are 1,200% more attacks than a year ago. It's really important to make your website secure, so you can click over here or Google, how can I make my website more secure? I wish you a great day, and that's it. Ciao.